What could possibly have gone wrong with a Ford F-150 that's supposed to have 4x4? You made it really far for being two-wheel drive, dude. Good job. Alrighty, guys, we are up here on the north end. We were just up here literally for another two-wheel drive F-150, and we got a second one, so we're going to get them out of here. What's up, man? What was your name?
Sean.
Sean? John, nice to meet you. Alrighty, well, it'd be simple. I just put a hard shackle in there, put a rope on it, and back you up. Like I said, we do offer a discount, so, you know, at this point, people are normally filming us anyways, so it's like,
it was so funny when I saw your sign. I'm like, oh yeah, I was telling her she's not gonna get out of the truck. She don't want to be filming. I was like, yeah, I see this guy all the time, and like, literally when I came down, I'm like, listen, all I need to get is kind of out there, and I'm like, I figure I can make it, but
yeah, no, it's so soft all the way down. Yeah, you got to go like Daytona International, you know, world's most famous beach. It's pretty flat. They allow two-wheel drives, but for miles on this north end, it's all nasty.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna probably go.
Nasty. So, all right, sounds good. We'll get hooked up. Did we put the 2-inch back? Which is good. It's what we need to be doing. I just forget. Oh man, sand's starting to get hot.
The high day at 90.
Oof.
It's like 96, 98.
That's terrible. I got my towel in the back seat. We might be taking a dip in the water. Oh, it's so hot. All right, I'll just have you throw it in reverse. Just keep that wheel straight. Give me a little bit of gas and we'll back it up onto the concrete. Whoo, man.
Start going.
Yeah, super easy.
Might be the easiest thing you've done all day.
You know what's funny? I like about 15 minutes ago, I did another two-wheel drive F-150 just where you were, and it was probably about as easy. So I had two identical ones back to back. I got the call for you. I was like, I swear I just did a two-wheel drive F-150.
The guy that was walking up, he said, yeah, he literally just was here.
Yeah.
It's like, it's just the funniest thing. And we went up, and she's like, oh, there might be another spot, and then we should have gone farther south.
Yeah.
Just got impatient with looking on the beach.
Yeah, if it's just two-wheel drive, I'd honestly recommend play it safe, go international.
What year is this one?
It's an 02.
Oh, I had a 97.
There you go. Dude, they're killer. They're killer.
Dude, no,
you have a good one, okay? Of course.
Every day.
Yes, sir. There we go, guys. Got him up out of there. We oughty. Alrighty, guys. We are all the way down here in Ponce again. And, what could possibly have gone wrong with a Ford F-150 that's supposed to have 4x4? Maybe the 4x4 not working? Yeah, so we are down here for another classic case of Ford without working 4x4. Tag along. He's coming from over there.
Probably went to the bathroom.
I mean, it is 4x4. It's not like the one yesterday with a fake sticker. That was crazy. It had a diff lock that seemed to work, although the dude before me pulled the knob out of the dash, which was crazy.
That's insane.
Yeah. All right. What's up, man? Good about yourself. What was your name?
John.
John? I'm John as well. Nice to meet you. Alrighty, so what was it telling you? Doesn't want to kick in?
No, doesn't want to kick in.
Okay.
If there's any way you can just tow me off of the beach.
Yep, absolutely. Get you back on the concrete.
Get me back on the concrete.
Yep, for sure.
I'm going to be in the driver's seat, I guess.
Yep. Basically, I just throw a bridle on your hooks, get a rope on it. I'll want you in drive, but you literally are going to barely feather it. I'm going to do most of the work. I just don't want it to be dead weight. Leave some tension on the line. I think I'll just run a short line. We'll make a big U-turn here, and I'll take you to the ramp there.
That's where I was
I gotcha.
stuck at. He pulled me out here, and I barely did it.
And sometimes it says roll to engage 4x4. Is it saying like it's got to be serviced or something?
It says check that forward.
Okay. Sounds good.
So
all right.
4-wheel low, 4-wheel high, nothing.
Nothing.
All
right.
the tires on there, once they get the sand in the grooves, they turn into slicks.
Yeah, it won't matter with me pulling you. We'll be all right. But yeah, if you had 4x4, it'd be all right. But yeah, being two-wheel drive, like you said, tires ain't helping. So.
Don't engage. So.
Yep. All right. Sounds good. Yeah. We're all yank 'em nowadays. Yank 'em, yank 'em, yank 'em. Yank 'em, yank 'em. Yank 'em, yank 'em, yank 'em. Him, her, him. Yank 'em, yank 'em. Yank 'em, yank 'em, yank 'em.
Yank 'em, mate, winches.
Yeah, right?
Big winch lines.
And winch line blankets. I need a blanket, Alan.
Yeah.
Not that it's as required. Well, nothing's required. I mean, you know, but not as needed with synthetic line the way it falls. However, better safe than sorry. All right, so yeah, we'll just take it slow. Wheel turns good. I'll come and we'll just
follow.
take it nice and slow. Yeah, biggest thing is on that corner. Just make sure we keep traction so we don't run over the rope. We'll be good. Hell yeah, baby. Beautiful U-turn. He did an excellent job keeping tension on the line. And now we're headed to the ramp. Yay, we made it to the concrete. Okay, man, you did an awesome job. There you
Thanks,
go.
guys.
Yep, of course. Have a good one, man. There you go, guys. We got that two-wheel drive F1. Well, okay, we got the four. Oh. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Yes, sir. I love the truck, man. Hey, but you didn't get stuck, though. That's what we're talking about, baby. Yes, sir. Anyway, so yeah, it was a 4x4 F-150, and it was not working. As I was saying, 4x4 F-150, 4x4 was not working, and so we made sure we got him off the beach, and he can go get it fixed, and then he'll be fine to come out here. Although we just saw that two-wheel drive. Are you recording? Yeah, it like went haywire on you. But yeah, I saw that two-wheel drive Tacoma made it all right. So you just got to be really careful. Once you start to break that surface and sink, it gets a little bit sticky. But we're gonna cruise down here to the jetty, make sure there's no one else that needs assistance before we drive all the way back home. So we'll see ya. Alrighty, guys, we're up here on the north end, and we got a call for this Nissan Titan. Apparently, it's just two-wheel drive. So. Made it really far on the north end for just being two-wheel drive, but we're gonna get him out of here. What's up? I don't know if we're gonna be able to turn this guy around. We might just have to take him down the beach. What's up, boys?
Man.
Hell yeah.
You guys on YouTube. Hell yeah, remember St. Louis?
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, yeah. Right, dude.
Dad?
Yeah, me and my dad. Yup.
Where's your dad at?
At the house. Yeah, you can't do them all. You know, we gotta split the workload up.
Hey, make sure I get on there, okay? On that. I got you.
Right, dude. We see you guys. Just Santa.
That's
Them
awesome.
Cadillacs is right, dude.
That's awesome.
He'll get you out here in a minute.
What's up, man? How you doing? What's your name?
James.
James John. Nice to meet you. Alrighty. So yeah, it's just two-wheel drive. Hey, you made it really far for being two-wheel drive, dude. Good job. I normally pull them out about 5 feet off the ramp, so you did pretty good, all considered. The only thing is, I'm debating whether or not we want to actually try and turn you around here, or if you want to just take a cruise on down the beach. And sounds good. Yeah, we'll take a cruise. So I can hook up to the front end. We'll put a rope on it, and basically I'll just pull you. You want to make sure we're leaving some tension on it, but we'll just cruise on down to the next ramp there, okay? So you can get you out of here. How does that sound, okay? Thank you for your service. Let me get it hooked up, okay?
You're in the right
St. Louis, man.
Yes, sir. Actually, we could probably get away with 20. Yes, sir. I love that. I love that.
Where's the glasses at?
Hey, well, I got him, so I don't gotta wear them.
I like them glasses, bro.
Oh yeah, hey, y'all got good energy. Y'all need to get a video. We do like the endings, like subscribe, stuff like that. Get a little juice up. You know what I'm saying? All right, so like I said, we'll just take it easy. You're not too stuck, so I shouldn't have to bump it too hard or anything. And like I said, we'll just take tension on it the whole way, so we're not, being too jerky. And same thing, the biggest, think about it the most when we're going around the ramp, we got to go wide. So just make sure you slow down a little bit and follow my tracks. Keep tension on, and we'll stop you up there on the concrete. Okay? All right. I was like, I knew it wasn't going to be too action-packed, so I was like, I'll throw it in low.
Yeah. You put it horizontal, right?
Yeah. Honestly, I was making sure I started it, but I think I did, because I just placed it and clicked it, so it should be good. Actually, see if it'll give me my feed. Oh look, I got my live feed.
That's sick.
That's f***ing awesome. Look, that's sweet. It tells me my recording time, my battery. I think I can actually technically zoom in from here too. All right, guys, we got this Nissan Titan in tow. We're taking him to the ramp. We'll see you there. Heck yeah, man. Good job.
Awesome.
That was awesome.
Good job.
At least you guys got a nice little cruise out of it, right? Something. Do you enjoy your time out there?
Oh, yeah.
I learned how to drive in the city.
First time I've been in the water since my open heart surgery.
Well, hey, at least you're out here. That's what matters, right? Able to enjoy it.
Yeah.
There you go. That is what matters. Yeah, and if you guys...
This is all-wheel drive, and apparently it's...
Yeah. Well, and that's what I was going to say. On that note, if you guys are ever down south or you're here again, Daytona Beach, International Speedway, more so down in that region, and they allow two-wheel drives, technically.
Yeah.
So that's where, if you guys want to go, you'll be just fine down there. Yeah, if you had your F-Jet, girl, you go wherever the hell you want.
Sold the day.
Right. No, we had one that we sold too. Yeah. Hey, they run, man. They run. Alrighty, guys. Hey.
Doing that shit, bro.
Oh, we got nothing but Toyotas. Yes, ma'am. You guys have an amazing day, okay? Whoa. Oh, yeah, guys. They were awesome people. Absolutely love it. Love having clients like that. He kept tension on the line basically the whole time and was a veteran. I mean, come on. We love that. So, got him out of there, took care of him, and we're both out and on our way. So, see ya.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.